They kept coming back, and that is exactly why it became so hard for you to let go of what you hoped this was. Because every time they returned, it felt like proof that maybe, finally, this time, their feelings were real and lasting. But some people do not come back because they are ready to love you. They come back because they still want access. They wanted your attention, your availability, and your emotional warmth, but not the responsibility that real love actually requires. They wanted the comfort of being close to you without doing the work it takes to truly protect your heart. And that is exactly why it felt intimate, even while the pattern underneath it stayed unstable, inconsistent, and emotionally unsafe. They came close enough to wake your hope back up, and close enough to make you believe something had finally changed. But they never came close enough to build anything stable, clear, or safe enough for your heart to actually rest in. That kind of inconsistency keeps you emotionally hooked because your heart keeps waiting for the warmth to finally become permanent. And when you still want it to work, confusion can feel like possibility instead of the warning sign it really is. So let's name the difference clearly. Real love builds safety over time, while access takes benefits without true responsibility. Love shows up with care, consistency, and accountability. Access usually shows up when it wants comfort, closeness, or emotional convenience. They often got the strongest, warmest, and most emotionally present right when they felt you starting to pull away. When you detached, they suddenly sounded clearer, softer, and more certain because distance made them afraid of losing access. But once you opened back up again, their effort slowly faded, and the same old inconsistency returned like nothing changed. That is not love finally showing up for you. That is access trying to protect its place in your life. They reached for you when they felt lonely, disconnected, or emotionally empty, and they needed someone safe to lean on. They reached for you when life felt heavy for them because your presence made their pain feel easier to carry. They reached for you when they wanted comfort, reassurance, softness, and closeness, especially when they felt emotionally unsettled or lost. But when you needed direct answers, clear communication, or honest clarity, they suddenly became vague, distant, and hard to reach. When you needed accountability, they often went quiet, avoided the conversation, or acted like your need for answers was too much. And when you needed care, consistency, or emotional safety, they suddenly became confused about what they wanted from you. But notice this pattern clearly. They only seemed confused when the relationship started requiring something real, costly, or consistent from them. And after enough of those returns, you started reading their re-entry as love instead of seeing it as repeated access. But a return is not repair, because coming back means nothing if the same harmful pattern keeps showing up again. Missing you does not automatically mean they value you, because longing for your presence is not the same as honoring you. And reaching out is not the same as changing, because contact alone does not prove growth, healing, or deeper emotional maturity. Attention is not the same as intention, because someone can focus on you deeply and still never choose you clearly. That is why this hurts so deeply. Access can imitate intimacy in ways that feel emotionally real to your heart. It can look like closeness, sound like care, and still leave you emotionally starved, anxious, and constantly waiting for certainty. And if that pattern goes on long enough, you may start blaming yourself instead of finally naming what is happening. You begin shrinking, overgiving, and over-explaining, hoping that if you become easier, the connection will finally feel secure. But real love does not require you to abandon yourself, silence your needs, or slowly disappear just to keep someone. So here is the truth. When they only get serious after you detach, that pattern is telling on itself. If they want comfort, emotional access, and your softness, but avoid responsibility, that is not love building with you. If they return with words, promises, and emotion, but not changed patterns, then what they want is access. You were never weak for hoping, but healing begins when you stop excusing the pattern and start asking better questions. Stop asking whether they still care, and start asking whether this connection truly protects your heart, your peace, and your future. Subscribe for more relationship clarity.